Well, it's time to upgrade my drip system on this saw. I put this piece of welding wire in here and taped my tube onto it initially to drip water on the blade, and it never really hits in the right place, and this was just a temporary arrangement, so I'm going to do something different. Okay, so I got a couple of parts here. I've got a union and a barb for my hose, and then I'm going to use this line lock adjustable coolant hose, and you can connect these pieces together as you like to different fittings. It includes a couple of nozzles, but you can get a lot of different other kinds if you need a specific coolant distribution, and these are pretty easy to point exactly where you want them to go, so that's going to be my little upgrade. It looks like about half of the provided extension here is going to work for what I want. And the kit came with several different nozzles, so you got kind of a large size, a medium, and then a small one. I think I'll go with the medium one for now and see how that works. They do have some special pliers that you use to push this stuff together, so if you're doing this on a regular basis, they're worth having, but for now I just have to use brute strength and push these couplings together. And the nice thing is, this stuff is all positionable the way you want, so it gets exactly on the spot you need it.